Hey, welcome to our
I am
hotel room
stacking
in
this
Miami.
cake. We have attached all the pieces with white chocolate.
Here's the kitchen.
We got
We have
too
the
much weight on one side. Okay. But it's wobbling a little bit.
induction stove,
And I start to
coffee
get
maker,
really
microwave oven,
before we can get it there.
my lunch, in the fridge, in the closet, where the ironing board is, and the iron.
It's not thick enough or sticky
What
enough.
else?
She's trying to
In the
prevent
bathroom.
it from wobbling, but at this point she cannot make structural changes.
Some characters. Black his eyes and put a smile on his face. The figurines are made from my cereal cakes with the little legs and arms out of cake pop sticks covered in fondant. And I'm going to make sure to put a little personality in each one. So I'm going to stick gears a little bit.